amazing.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. How are we? Good.
Untuck that big, and there's a big ball. You all will see it. It's locked up. Yeah, no, it's beautiful. It locks up the ice cream because it's so good. So we have to keep it in there, okay? Now, last thing I want to know is, do you all
What is this?
So
It's ice cream.
I know. Our founder, Mary Ellis, she created this flavor and wanted to give her childhood of baking cookies. So what I have in front of you today is a salted caramel snickerdoodle ice cream.
Yay, thank you.
Are we ready for some cotton candy?
Absolutely.
Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Friends, feel free to grab any one of these. They're all freshly spun.
You guys, look at how small we are in this room. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh my gosh, this is so funny.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm in here.
All right, time to go out.
We're back out.
My kind of elevator. Pink, black, gold. Love it! Okay guys, so we just got done at the Museum of Ice Cream. I know I didn't do a check-in in the beginning because we were running a little close to being on time. Basically, we were like here a couple hours before we were supposed to be at the Museum of Ice Cream, and we were kind of just sitting and kind of just waiting it out until we had to find a parking garage, and we did, and then the next thing we know, it was like 10:30 and we had to check in at 11. So anyway, yeah, we just got done. It was so much fun. I had such a blast. The only thing that I wish though that I would have known going into this, I would have brought a backup charger because my phone started to die and I went in there with a full battery, 100%. So yeah, that's how fun it was. We just took so many pictures and had so much fun in there. I wanted to snap everything, take pictures. I wanted to vlog and record everything. So it is so fun. I would love to come back because I could do this all over again. This would be so much fun. Basically, we did a little shopping inside the Museum of Ice Cream. I'll probably like do a little mini haul at the end of this video, kind of like when I get home, I'll put it on a cute rug and all that stuff and the pink wall. But yeah, it was so much fun. As you guys can see, that I sit in the back of this video. That's the like the side of the building, and then like over on this street, that's the front side. When we first got in, the girl that was kind of doing like the big intro, she said that this used to be the Giorgio Armani building, and around this building there are other kind of big name like fashion companies and stores and things like that. So there's like Chanel, what were some of the other ones I saw? Barney's,
Adriana Goldschmied.
whoever that is. Anyway, there was Louis Vuitton. There's just so many big like fashion stores and things like that over in this area. So it was kind of cool that that was like the old Giorgio Armani building. I would have never gone in there if it was Giorgio Armani. So that's what she was saying. She was like, people that used to come in here used to drop thousands of dollars, which is actually kind of cool. And the building and like the architecture inside is beautiful. So they did such a good job. I'm sorry for the shaky camera. They did such a good job. It is so beautiful inside, so much fun. So if you do go and if you do have tickets, we literally bought our tickets in September of this year, and it's now January, so, or September of 2017, and of course it is now January of 18, so we had to buy our tickets like 4 months in advance. But anyway, that was so much fun. I would do this all over again. I would totally do like a whole nother outfit for this as well. But yeah, I had such a blast. Did you guys have fun?
I had so much fun.
Do you guys want to be in the vlog? Mom and my sister.
I had so much fun.
Yeah, we honestly had such a blast. That was a lot of fun. But right now,
over and over again.
oh yeah, I would do it a million times over. But right now I'm super thirsty and I'm really hungry because like I said, our time was at 11, so it's like, I don't even know, like 1 or 2 o'clock by now. So yes, that is that for right now. I'll probably do a little bit more vlogging today or whatever, just kind of close off our day and kind of do some more like scenery shots leaving San Francisco and whatnot. So anyway, yeah, that was fun. Did you guys have fun again?
Yeah.
I know I just asked you guys that, but I want to go back so soon.
Jump back in that sprinkle pool.
I know, I wish, the only thing I do wish, let me retract a little bit. The only thing I do wish was that we did have a little bit more time in the sprinkle pool for pictures and things like that. There were just a lot of people in our group and everything. So yeah, I wish that we would have had a little bit more time to take some pictures and play around and everything. But anyway, yeah, that is that. Thank you, Museum of Ice Cream. That was so much fun. Again, we bought our tickets literally like 4 months ago. So this was so great to actually like get to do it. Like I said, I've seen all the pictures on Instagram and social media. So that was a lot of fun. But anyway, okay, that is that for now. And I will definitely film some more before the day is over. Okay guys, so just a quick little mini haul to toss in at the end of this vlog and at the end of an amazing day at the Museum of Ice Cream. I just wanted to show you guys what we picked up. So as you can see, we do have a big white bag there and then a little small white bag right there. So you're able to buy more than one bag if you wanted to. So we bought 3 of that large bag and then 3 of the small bag as well, just because they were so cute and we just thought we each needed one of our own. And then I'm going to get a little closer to show you these little items a little more in detail. So first things first, this adorable mug just says Museum of Ice Cream, just like the bag. bags, which I just thought was so adorable. Anyway, Kaylin and I both picked up our own mug. It's the exact same saying on the other side, and it is just pink in the inside of the mug. So we thought those were so adorable. I definitely had to get one. You guys know I love my mugs. So the next, Kaylin picked up this really cute little keychain. It is so adorable. It says, "Key to my heart is ice cream, Museum of Ice Cream, room 11. So all of the numbers had like a special meaning to like the creators or something of the Museum of Ice Cream. So there were only like 5 numbers to choose from. And since our tour started at 11, we decided to pick 11. We collectively decided for Kaylin because she was like, I don't know what number to get. So we decided, okay, well, the only one that really had any like significance to us was 11, since that was the time that our tour started. So I'm going to adjust my focus just so I can show you these adorable pins a little closer as well. So next are these adorable little enamel pins. We picked up 2 of them, one for me, one for my mom, and they both just say sprinkle pool, and it's this really cute pink and white kind of like pool floaty in some water, which I just thought was so adorable. Or maybe it just has like blue scallops around the edges. Anyway, doesn't matter, but we just thought they were so cute. They had a bunch of pins, and honestly, it was really hard to choose from. But we love the sprinkle pool. We wish we would have had more time, but we loved these pins, so that's why we picked up 2. So if you want to see this in a little bit closer of a like shot, I guess, closer footage, that is just what that looks like. And then of course the mug. Ooh, we are really, really, really close. So anyway, everything was just so cute. We had such a great day, and I just wanted to share this little mini haul with you at the end of this video. So thank you, Museum of Ice Cream, for creating such an amazing thing. I hope you guys extend it, because I know so many people still want to go. So yeah, Museum of Ice Cream, like I said, please extend your dates. Please at least keep the Museum of Ice Cream open through summer. I know you guys would make another fortune on this, because I know, again, so many people that still have not gone yet and really, really want to go. And again, I would go again as well. So anyway, yeah, we had such a great day. I don't want this vlog to end, but I just wanted to share little goodies with you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Museum of Ice Cream, for a great day. Like I said, we had our tickets purchased in September, so I've been waiting for this for so long. And I feel like I've been waiting even longer because I've been wanting to go to this since it was in New York. So anyway, okay, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys seriously so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.